Um, Hello everyone. I'm Nancy from Boyoun company, and today I will start our live broadcast about the Sino-Thai High-speed Railway Project we did. Now let's start. It's my honor to host this live event for you today. We are very appreciative for your participation in this live journey. Mm, Before we dive into introducing the Sino-Thai High-speed Railway Project, let me provide a brief overview of our company. Our Shandong Boyuan company is dedicated to providing top-quality bridge formwork and one-stop solutions in this field over 18 years. Over these years, mm, Boyuan has completed over 1,200 projects around the world. We have gained extensive experience and expertise and built a strong reputation in their field and satisfy our customers. We are dedicated to providing our customers with high-quality products and, more importantly, with excellent service and technology innovation. In the upcoming live broadcast, we will go into the detail about the projects we have participated in the past. Sino-Thai has its projects. We hope that this live broadcast will provide you with more information about the project in Thailand. And if you have any related railway projects, you can refer to it. The first part is about the project introduction. The Sino-Thailand Railway is a Chinese-funded project that forms part of the 8-year infrastructure plan approved by Princeton government. This railway is split into two stages. The first connects Bangkok and Nakhon Ratchasima, which the second part will extend to Nong Hao, a boasting border town in Thailand's northeast, bordering Vietnam, Laos, for potential connection with the China-Laos Railway. The ambitious Upward Central Station in Bangkok will oversee transfers between the China-Laos-Thailand High-speed rail and the Thailand-Malaysia-Singapore High-speed rail. The first stage spans 2,253 kilometers at the top speed of 2,250 kilometers per hour, costing approximately 11.36 billion US dollar. The second stage of the Sino-Thailand Railway is expected to cost about 8.56 billion, with construction set to begin in December of this year and will complete by 2028 year. This will establish a solid foundation for China-Laos Thailand visions of connective and development. The second part is about the background of the project. Mm, the Thai railway system was mainly constructed from the end of the 19th century to the end of the World War II. Some railway lines initially used 1,400 and 35 millimeters standard gauge, but in mm, 191 they uniformly use the 1000 millimeter gauge meter, which is still used today. Also, Thailand added some branch railways in the second half of the 20th century. The railway layout, trackwise and design styles have been used for more than a century, are outdated, and can't meet the needs of modern railway transportation. Due to their backward infrastructure, especially serious track subsidence, Thai railway accidents occur frequently. Train speeds are used less than 50 kilometers per hour, and some sections are even less than 15 kilometers per hour. It's too slow speeds. System's reform of the railway is immediate is urgent, and successive governments have considered embarking on the reform. However, in the face of the huge projects and high cost, the railway reform has been delayed for decades, and it's difficult to make progress. In October 2020 and 14, Thai Deputy Prime Minister Priwat and Deputy Foreign Minister Don Primaveni visited China to discuss railway cooperation and hoped that China would uh, participate in the transformation of Thailand's railway system. On December 19, 2015, Premier Li Keqiang and Thai Prime Minister Prera exchanged congratulation letters to um, congratulate to the about the official launch of the Sino-Thai Railway Cooperation projects. The second part is about the um, real line of this project. In 2014, the planned railroad line in Thailand is a herringbone um, railroad line starting from Nong Khai City and the capital of Nong Khai in northeastern Thailand is north, and going south through a dune tunnel, Khon Khon, and Nakhon Rakasima provinces, and splitting into two branches in the southeast and southwest in Kankaway district of Saraburi province in the central part of the country, and going southeast until Mata district of Rayong province, and finally ending up at the capital city of Bangkok in the southwest. The Nong Khai Highway Mataba line is 734 kilometers long, and the line is 133 kilometers long, with a total length of 8 and 67 kilometers. The both lines are used 1,435 millimeter standard rails and are designed for a speed of 250 kilometers per hour. So until now, as we can see, the Speed is a high rise than before. Of course, to construct this project, we also in account some problems. The first part is about the problems. The Sino-Thai High-speed Railway Corporation negotiation lasted for 8 years, with many twists and turns during this period. The main difficulties are as below. First, because the Thai regime is mm, unstable, the course has occurred many times. In fact, Thailand has had a strong willingness to join since the concept of Pan-Asia Railway was proposed. This project has played a very important role in Thailand's economic growth. However, since the military coup in Thailand in 2006, there have been several leadership changes. As a result, there is no long-term strategy plan in the country, even if this economic policy can't be effectively and coherently implemented due to domestic political instability. The second is from the perspective of financial strength. Thailand's economic is limited, and its financial results are also not very good. With limited funds, it's difficult for Thailand to carry out large-scale infrastructure construction. It can only extend the construction period, reduce the annual investment amount, and reduce financial pressure. This is also the main reason for the slow progress of the first phase of Sino-Thai High-speed Railway. The last part uh, is from the um, perspective of infrastructure capacity. Thailand has no experience in high-speed rail construction. Most domestic railways in Thailand are meter-gauge railways built decades ago. They are single-track, non-electric railways. They are not only slow in speed but also have low transport capacity. They have been very difficult to adapt to the needs of economic and social development, and the renewal of the railroad system is also the basic project that Thailand focuses on promoting. Also, we also encounter the problem in construction way. The Chinese design team combined Thailand's national conditions, laws, regulations, humantic environments, railway construction mode, engineering, construction habits, and other facts to start the standards covering materials survey, civil engineers, construction and supporting facility, track and trains, and foundation maintenance and summaries location. Practical experience that enable China's high-speed railway stands to be um, integrated with Thailand's commonly use the local stands to realize the application of Chinese railway stands in Sino-Thai High-speed Railway Corporation projects, mm, such as the first problem in the construction way, the multi-layer frame pier structure shared by high-speed railways and urban rail transit is boundary adopted in large sections. and the issue of insufficient plane space is solved by with the use of dimensional space. A second is about the developed a series of span segment broadcast assembly use simply sporting box beam give full play to the advantage of local contractors who are familiar with the segmental assembly construction technology and use Thailand's existing bridge equipment as well as mm, market beam yards to avoid problems such as difficulties inland for construction beam yards, complicated environmental impacts, assessment procedures, and long recycles.嗯，怎么说没有真人直播呀？挡住了。刚刚给个提醒。嗯，Yeah, the next part is Boyoun is honored to be one of the suppliers of the Sino-Thai High-speed Railway Project, providing the um, providing the peer formwork products for this project. Below, I will show you the our peer column formwork about of the advantages. First one is the strong customization. Second one is the high strength. The third one is it's easy to operate. Even you don't it's your first time to use the peer framework. It's easy to operate. The last one is the high project quality. Now the project situation, according to a report from Thailand on April 8, Thailand's Minister of Transport Survey recently chaired a meeting to promote and follow up on major projects and dedicated to calculate the progress of multiple projects, including the first phase of the high-speed railway projects, which has a total length of 250 kilometers, is expected to be put into operation in 2028 years. The meeting pointed that this project was approved by the Cabinet on July 11, 2017. As of February 25, 2044, data show that the current progress of this project mm, is 31%, lagging behind the established target by approximately 39%. In response, the Minister of Transport has urged the National Railway Administration to speed up the construction process as planned. So from this cooperation about China and Thailand, we can see there is many investment chances in Thailand. The, the implementation of the Sino-Thai High-speed Railway Project will bring huge opportunities for Thai's real estate investments. Firstly, the project will improve access in Bangkok and the surroundings area, making these areas more attractive places to live and work. This will also drive the demand growth in the real estate market and providing developers with more sales opportunities. Secondly, the construction of the Sino-Thai high-speed railway will promote the development of the logistic industries as an important transportation and logistic hub in the Asian region. Thailand will attract more international enterprises and logistic companies to enter the market. This will drive demand for industries and commercial real estate and provide investors with more investment options. In addition, the opening of the Sino-Thai high-speed railway project will further affect the economic um, travelings between Thailand and China. This promotes trade and investment activities between the two countries and provide more cooperation opportunities for Thai's real estate investors. Of course, not only for this China-Thailand railway project. In Thailand, Boyoun also participated in the construction of other projects, such as the Thailand Narano viaduct project and the Thailand Library Railway projects. Such as the first project case, the Thailand Narano Viaduct project is located in the heart of Bangkok, Thailand, and it's a crucial road improvement initiative for improving the traffic conditions. The projects in encompass an elevated main altar and this supplements viaducts with the main lobes being 1.8 kilometers and the supplement length being 1.45 kilometers collectively. And the second project case is the Library Railway project in Thailand. It will not only improve the traveling conditions of local people and create more job opportunities, but also it will greatly affect the economic, trade, and logistic transportations in central and north of the Thailand. Let's make a summary about the about today's live broadcast. Today's introduction of the Sino-Thai high-speed railway projects uh, concluded here. If you have any question, please feel free to contact us. If you are interested in our contents, please continue to follow Boyoun. In addition of peer formwork, Boyoun's main products also include segmental box girder, precast I girder, T girder, U girder, and form traveler and tunnel lining trolley. Some typical overseas projects have been delivered, such as the Malaysia, China-Malaysia Friendship Bridge in the Maldives and the Padma Bridge in Bangladesh, the Balang Island Cable Stayed Bridge, and the Kendari Cable Stayed Bridge in Indonesia, and Malaysia East Coast Railway, Malaysia MRT2 and LRT3, and Singapore North-South Korea projects, etc. In the next issue, we will provide a project case of the Singapore G 120 project. Welcome to stay tuned to our live broadcast. See you next time. Bye bye.提示。